Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Kumusta po tayo? Hope you're doing well. And if you are well, now let's learn French the dreamy way. Pourquoi dreamy way? Because our verb for today is the verb rêver. Rêver. C'est un verbe du quotidien. Okay? It's a everyday verb that we use every day. But what is the meaning of rêver? Rêver means to dream or to imagine, because rêver, to dream, is not only for the night, but also sometimes we are daydreaming, okay? Or imagine something, okay? Good imagination. Okay, example. Il rêve de voyage longtemps chaque nuit. So he dreams of traveling very far every night. Where is that dream? Okay, that he dreamed of. Okay, so this verb is simple, expressive, and perfect to talk about your dreams. Tara na, let's go. On y va to learn how to use the verb rêver or to dream or to imagine in French. Le verbe rêver. Rêver means to dream or to imagine. Okay, definition. Definition po tayo. Avoir des images, des idées ou des souhaits dans son esprit, souvent pendant le sommeil ou en imagination. Okay. Okay, in English, to have images, ideas, or wishes in one's mind, often during sleep or in imagination. Okay, so either in your sleep or you're sleeping or when you're imagining the day. Okay, daydreaming. No? So how do we conjugate the verb rêver? Okay, rêver is on the verb premier group UR. So, rêver, rêver. Okay? Pag may UR siya, rêver. Okay? Pag wala na siyang E, hindi na natin E yun. Okay? Example, je rêve. Je rêve. Okay? I dream. Tu rêves. You dream. Il rêve. He dreams. Elle rêve. She dreams. Then, on rêve, we dream. Next, nous rêvons, we dream. Vous rêvez, you dream. Ils rêvent, they dream. Et elles rêvent, they dream. Okay? Je répète. Je rêve, tu rêves, il rêve, elle rêve, on rêve. Nous rêvons, vous rêvez, il rêve et elle rêve. O-N-T. Example. Il rêve de voyage longtemps. Lointain. Pag ano yan, lointain, chaque nuit. Ano yung lointain? He dreams of far away journeys every night. Okay? So nagdi-dream siya ng far away and journey very far, malayo. Okay? So, yung du rêve is sweet dreams. Fait de beaux rêves, sweet dreams po yan. Pag sinabing fait de beaux rêves, mon chéri, sweet dreams. Okay? So, this is our verb, rêver. Rêver, to dream or imagine. Je rêve? Oui, je rêve. Tout le temps. Ok, merci. The verb rêver, is un verbe de quotidien. Okay? It's our everyday verb that we use. Okay? And I hope you use the verb rêver. Tu rêves? Vous rêvez? Oui, bien sûr, tout le temps. Okay, tous les jours. Okay, merci. Merci. Ang kabaligtan ng rêve, ng cauchemar naman yon pag nagbangungot ka, cauchemar. Okay, cauchemar. Okay, debut rêve o cauchemar. O yan ang kabaliktaran. Pag rêve, you have a good dream. O pag cauchemar naman, you have a bad dream. Cauchemar. Okay? So, sana po ay don't forget po yung ating verb na rêve. And please don't forget also to like, subscribe, at i-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao, tout le monde. Bye.